Okay, so another way or feature of ChatGPT that's super powerful are custom GPTs. You may or may not have heard of them. I'd say you probably have. You've possibly used some. Maybe you've built some. These custom GPTs are specialist tools that we train. We give them stored data, information, frameworks, and then they do a very niche job. So the way I use custom GPTs inside my own ChatGPT account is to create an AI copywriting team made up of niche tools that have been trained to do a specific job based on information about my business, based on frameworks that I've trained it on, and custom instructions that I've developed. The way that they're making my workflow more efficient is that by having a suite of these niche specialist tools, I can use each one to do a particular job. I can stack them inside my projects. You can also stack them within the GPTs themselves. And I'm going to show you what I mean by that in a second. A little side note, you can also create custom GPTs and share them with your clients to support them. Inside the AI Growth Lab, one of the things that I help my clients do is to build either custom GPTs that we share as links. We can also build them as third-party tools that can be white labeled and embedded in your portal. So as an additional income stream, they can be really powerful, or they also add value to your existing programs. So that's an aside. That's not really what we're talking about today. I just wanted to kind of point out to you that you can learn how to build and sell these as well. And the other thing that I'm really enjoying with custom GPTs is using them with automations. So I'm going to show you the automation bit in a bit more detail. I'm not going to do that right now. I just want to show you the custom GPTs and how they work. I'm just going to show you an example. Okay, so here's a social media content writer that I've created for myself, and what I've trained this on is a selection of frameworks for the types of content that I want this one to write. It's got information about my brand voice. It's got information about my offer. And so I can just get going here. Okay, and so now it's asking me which type of post I'd like to create. So I'm going to say, oh, let's do like a pain point story. But what I'm going to pull in as well is my messaging matrix document, because that's going to give me some insights into the language that my clients have been using. Okay, so now it's going to give me some ideas based on real insights from things that my clients have said. Okay, so I like this one, so let's go with this. Okay, and so it's just asking a few more questions just to make, to help it do a really good job of writing this first draft for me. So I want it through a client story. Okay, so I've just answered those questions. Okay, so I like this. This is a good first draft. I would definitely edit it a bit. This is my process, like get that first draft, get the idea out, then edit it for final polish before posting it. And I could continue here and ask it to write me a second post. Okay, so I like this idea because I know this has been coming up a lot. Reminded of what frameworks I've given it. Yes, I agree with that. Okay, and I like that post. Again, that's 80% there. I'm going to take that. So I've got, in terms of systems, I've got a couple of ways that I do this at the moment. Because it's just me, I will copy this and I will just paste it into my Airtable base manually, so that I have it in like a work in progress section, so that I know I just need to edit it and then get it out there. What I will show you also is that I've developed some automation so that it just moves it into Airtable for me. And I'm slowly updating all my custom GPTs to do this. So this one doesn't do it at the moment, but I will show you a different one when we get to the automations piece.